In today's video, we're going to be focusing on some drawing exercises that are perfect for beginners, but also maybe those of you who are a bit more advanced. But in case we haven't met yet, hello, my name is Jess. I'm from the Gold Coast Art School here in Australia, where we teach students how to paint and draw and learn how to see. So yes, today we are going to be looking at office supplies and learning how to draw office supplies, which might sound a bit dull and boring, but these are very simple shapes, and that's one way that you can teach yourself how to see accurately. Let's get started. Divide your page into 4. Now, if you have objects around your own home, of course, you can arrange these however you see fit. You can get some really interesting angles and maybe parts of the object that you don't normally view it at. So let's go. We're talking boxes. You just draw a box. Start with a literal box. Okay, once the box is done, hello, somebody just went live on Twitch. Now you can start to eat into the box. All right, we're gonna start to eat into the box. Om nom 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 nom. We're gonna get in here. I think that the top of this stapler is a bit more chunky than initially thought. Ooh, I'm trying to see like how far along is that middle bit. I think it's probably around here. Before it curls down into that funny little angle bit there. We're under a minute. Okay. So then this bit curves up. Ooh, that's fascinating. Okay, I think I need to make this a whole lot bigger. Ooh, I do need to make it a lot bigger. I'm looking at this shape now, and holy moly, if it's that long, it's actually, the height is that. Whoa, okay. That is really fascinating. So really all of this, I think I need to pull up, and I've run out of time to do that because we're on 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding. Okay, that's interesting. This is a really good one to do for maybe a longer period of time. As I started drawing it and then I started doing this little bit in here, I started going, oh, no, it's not just a box. There's a heck of a lot more going on in here. This would probably be up here a bit more. There's an angle here. Yeah, wow. That's fascinating. I love it. So this cute little thingy of tape, when I did this with another video with a jar and the jar was clear and I started drawing it and I went, uh-oh, that's throwing me off. That's throwing me off. But let's give it a red hot go. All right, this is definitely a much smaller, boxier item. I'm going to start with the main body of it. Actually, you could start with literally that round circle of tape. It's kind of what I'm doing. Got a little flat bottom. And there is a bit of dimension in here. Even at this angle, I can see there's still the 3 dimensions kicking in. You can't avoid it. That's kind of the point. We want to be able to draw 3D. All right. going to skip along a little bit here. I think that's a little skinnier than I think. Means this little bit of tape here that I've got doesn't go whoop, it goes a little loopy and then it starts to peter out a little bit around there. Nice. Did okay then. How did you go? Tell me in the comments down below. Look, if I'm comparing it to the stapler, I feel better about it, you know? I'm feeling better about it. I feel like this is not correct though. Like maybe this needs to dip in a little bit more here. This piece should be moved over a little bit more. And what's telling me that information is this gap in here, this negative space. It's not the same shape or size as the reference. Now, the other little bit of office equipment that we probably all have these days, hand sanitizer. I chose it because of the size of it, the shapes that are present in it. Here we go. So I'm keeping in mind that the head, the white part, fits into here at least twice. So let's see, one. Okay, we're on track. And then that white nose part where the sanitizer comes out, juts out quite a bit. Okay. All right, now I'm going to start refining a little bit because it's not a box. It's a bottle, it's a rounded bottle. So let's start refining that a bit more. And because it's round, remember, you need to round out the bottom. Round out your bottoms. There we go. All right, there's this bit and then this bit and then a skinny bit there. And then the lid comes up again and then it has a pump. Okay. Well, there's meant to be a little gap in there. There's not a gap in there anymore. All right. That looks like a stalk. Cool. All right. Wondering about my sizing. For some reason, it's not looking correct. I think that this bottle could be a little bit longer. Not too shabby. I feel like there's some adjustments that need to be made here. Like this part through here really needs to be longer. But hey, we got a bottle on the page. And lucky number 4. Let's do scissors. Okay, so the blade, okay, middle bit to there. All right, so this is just slightly longer than the smaller loop-de-loop. And we're off. I am so hungry right now. Oh no, somebody's calling me. She wanted to know about pottery. I actually really love pottery and ceramics. If we had the space, the tools, the kiln, holy crap. Doing pottery all day, every day. I don't want to say that the phone call just threw me off, because I don't want to blame a phone call for that. But I feel like I've just lost my mojo. Can I find my mojo in 40 seconds? Probably not. Bit of behind the scenes information, but I've been filming for the past 3 hours. And you've been filming for 3 hours. It gets a little bit much. You just see the Cliff Notes version on YouTube. Goodness gracious me, do people spend a lot of time filming? I feel like this little peanut shape in here needs to be worked on a bit. Maybe I haven't got my things enough. Something's going on in there. I think these could be longer. This shape in here is not nearly as big as I think it needs to be. A bit more of a jelly bean, peanutty kind of vibe. So, how did you do? I would love to hear from you. You can leave me a comment down below. Also, hashtag us on Instagram. You can just tag our school account and we can see it. I would love to see your work.